I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make images move in CapCut PC. So to start, we're going to take our image here of our dog and drag it onto the timeline. And we're going to use keyframes to make this move. We can start the keyframes wherever we want along the clip, but in this case, I'm going to have it start right at the beginning. I'm going to make sure the clip is selected, and I'm going to go over to Video, Basic, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Keyframe right here. You can see that added a keyframe at the start of this clip. Then I'm going to drag it to right about there, and I want to make this move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, and then we'll move it to the top left. And doing that, you can see automatically created another keyframe right there. Next, I'm going to move it to about right here, and I'm going to move this down to the bottom right, and you can see that created another keyframe right there. And then I'm going to go all the way to the end, and I'm going to bring this back to the middle, and we're going to just make it full scale again. And doing that created a keyframe at the end. And then if we go to the start and we play it, you can see our image of our dog moves around on the screen. So that's how to move images in CapCut. Again, using keyframes, you could play around with this and do a lot of different things with it. You could zoom in or zoom out on an image, or actually move it around the screen like we did in this video. It's just up to you. Possibilities are endless. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.